So I wanted to go over this particular level. Yeah, this is actually one of my favorite levels because this is kind of the kind of ones that are definitely going to be on the harder side and not realistic at all because no customer in their right mind would ever do this. It seems like a pretty much an impossible situation. How are you going to do it? But it is quite possible, but extremely difficult. I just think it's very fun watching people do this. I've seen a few people do it and they couldn't figure it out. So there's going to be a lot of puzzles. Basically, it's like a puzzle. All right. So first of all, what you got to do. Oh yeah, I've got a new little system going on over here. This is where the speedo is going to be now, I think. We'll see. All right. So if I want to go forward, I just, you can see it kind of over here. Anyway, so we're just going to drive straight into this little gap over here. I think in the future too, the steering wheel is going to be a little bit further up. Okay, like it seems to stay in the exact same place, regardless if I zoom in or out. I don't know. Am I a big fan of that? I would like it to stay in front of the truck. But anyway, you're gonna have to forgive me for that. Oh, actually, it is kind of. I'm just gonna keep it over here. Okay. Anywho, so I will bring back. As you can see, you can't see the slider for the steering wheel either, but I'm gonna bring that back as well. I imagine. Let me go a little bit faster so we can get on with the video. And the steering wheel seems to be more realistic, actually, to be honest with you, because it takes a lot longer to actually turn all the way to the left. Unlike in the other versions where I basically, if I start from here and work my way over here, it goes all the way from the left all the way to the right. But you do seem to have more control. You're able to like fine tune it a lot more. All right, but I don't know. It's a game. I just feel like it should be a little bit more fun. All right, so we're gonna keep hugging over here to the right because I want to bring this trailer to the right. Okay. And so then I'm gonna go ahead and go inside this little area, hugging everything to the right, and watching to the left. I'm gonna keep my trailer nice and close to the left. Now I'm gonna straighten up. All right, let me just actually go all the way to the left there for a second, just so I can straighten up more. All right, let's get those steers straight. And I'm just gonna bring the trailer all the way back here towards this guy. All right, and there we go. I don't want to be too close because I'll show you in a minute why. So see that little area right there where my trailer is pointing towards? I just want to get my truck in there. Okay, let me just straighten up. Yeah, this is kind of like a complete different game. This is actually my very first time playing a level with the new configurations. So yeah, I want to get in there because I want to make a left-hand turn. All right, but where a lot of people screw up. This is where they end up over. I'm gonna turn a little bit more, and we're gonna stop right there. Now I need to get in here. So if I turn all the way to the left, I'm gonna hit this guy, which is fine. Let's go ahead and just stop right there. Let's go all the way to the right, and let's reverse. We're gonna bring it all the way until right before my truck would hit this guy. Go all the way to the left. Now remember what happens, right? If you stop and do your reversing, you're going to create a lot wider of a swing. So a lot of the times they'd end up hitting the swing of the trailer would hit once I do get past this. But you got to keep hugging everything to the right. Keep hugging, and that'll eliminate the swing. All right, so the next, now of course we're going to have to make sure we miss this with the front of our trailer too. All right, and then a lot of people, as soon as they eventually get this far, after a little help, they got to figure out how to get into the space. Now there's no lines. And so what you got to do, now you can't sight it, all right? Meaning, as in like, because there's a truck over here parked. So basically, we got to pull a U-turn. So when we're doing our U-turn, we got to make sure we go as wide as possible. All right. So let's go hard right. Let's go. Let's see if we can get even closer to this guy. Because using every inch. If you're going to end up hitting him, whatever, don't hit him. Let's go ahead and reverse and carry on with your back. Again, everything is nice and wide. All right. Now, I wouldn't have been able to set up like that right there. Or I might have, but I don't think so. We're going to keep turning, keep turning, keep turning. Then we're going to go all the way over, back out again, just so I can reset myself up. So you might be able to do this a little quicker than me. But, so now I'm just going to do my straight back, get my steers straight. Yeah, it seems to be a lot more accurate when it comes to when I want to steer, because in the last one, it would just kind of, I'll be kind of doing this a lot, you know, but this one you can really fine tune it. Anywho, sorry, let me get back to the reversing. And I'm going to say roughly around here is when we can start doing it. Okay, I'm going to keep going. All right, doesn't looks like I'm too far over. All right, let's go forward. I'm going to go ahead and now jackknife more. Whoops, there we go. You can hold it roughly around here. Yeah, I'm going to keep backing it up. Okay, I think we can get away with it there now. And we'll just chase it again. Man, this is taking a long time to steer. Just like in the real world, it was so much easier before. Yeah, see, but the problem is that we're too close to this guy. Okay, let's go forward. Maybe we can use every inch. Yes, I think we'll be able to get away with it. All right. Every time we back up, we'll have to just do a little pull forward. I think we might even be able to use that little gap right there. Let's go, let's crawl forward. Okay, we still haven't lost a life. All right. Okay. Oh, I believe we're going to be able to get it. Okay, we're just going to have to do a little pull forward again. Oh, I lost a life. I lost 2 lives. When did I lose the first one? Okay, whatever. Let's get those steers pointing straight. And back it up. All right, let's see if I'm in the space. I am. Okay, it took me 7 minutes and 43 seconds, and I hit 2 objects. Anyway, this is just one of the levels that I wanted to show you guys. It's quite a tough one, and hopefully I'll have a lot more like that. All right, take it easy. Bye.